Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, I will show you how to use switch, a sample use of switch in Sketchware. So at first I'm giving the name of the project switch, then setting to linear edge here. The second linear edge height must be match parent, and then I'm giving a switch here. So after that we have to go to event and go to view and create a new view on switch on check changed. So here is this. Now here what we have to do is to give this control if then if switch is changed. If switch is changed, then set background color linear to set background color I'm giving blue, and then toast the color is blue, and then else set background color else set background color of linear to brown, and toast the color is brown. Okay, now this is a sample use of the switch component in Sketchware. So now I am running the app. Here we go. Now I am opening the app. Here you see, now if I click on the switch button, the color is blue, the color is brown, blue, brown, and here is the toast. You see here the toast, here you see. So thank you for watching this video. You can get all the Sketchware tutorials of my channel, in my channel by going to the channel, and thank you.